Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Maybe something doesn't work anymore, or as it did before, maybe an app shows you that there's an update, maybe there's something going on and you just want to check if there's an update. You can go to your Play Store and then go to your account here and go to Manage Apps and Device, and then you have updates available here. 12 updates pending. You can say update all or see details. If you click on it, you have all the apps here where there's an update available. So you can update them here one by one, just one specific app or whatever, or update all here again. We're gonna go ahead and update booking.com right now, just to have an example. And now you see booking.com went away and we have only 11 updates available. So that's how you can update apps on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.